channel, my name is Abby. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Manolo Blahnik Lurum. If you haven't seen any of my other videos in my little designer shoe unboxing series, go and give those a watch. I've done some Jimmy Choos and I've also done some more Manolo Blahniks. But these are the last pair of Manolo Blahniks that I'm going to be unboxing, and I think I might have saved the best till last. So I won't keep you waiting any longer. Here we go, here's the box. We're used to the box now. So again, we've got the little card which takes you to the care instructions for this particular pair of shoes. And if we just now these ones have come in their dust bags, so just gonna get these out. So usually they don't come in their dust bags, usually the dust bags come on top and then they come kind of just alone in their box. But this is how these ones have come. Here they are. Now I'm just going to take the tissue paper out of both of these gorgeous shoes so that we can get a closer look. Okay, so here is the Manolo Blahnik Lurum. Now this is a classic shoe shape style of Manolo Blahnik. This comes in a lot of different kind of colours, in satin and velvet I think, but this pattern is amazing. It is just absolutely stunning. Look at the detail of that fabric. It's like this gorgeous kind of, is it like brocade? I'm not really sure, but it looks kind of like, I don't know, a bit like Baroque. I'm not sure. This shoe is absolutely stunning. Everything about this shoe is gorgeous, and I think I'm a little bit in love. Oh my goodness. So let's just take a closer look at more of the specific details that are going on with this shoe. So obviously it's a kind of mule shape, so the heel's exposed, but it has got a pointed toe there, and it's got this beautiful strap which is going to hold your foot into the shoe itself. This fabric is absolutely stunning. It's kind of like a yellowy, creamy colour with this beautiful royal blue patterning within it. And I just think that colour combination is absolutely stunning. Sorry, I'm just like, I keep on just having to sit and stare at the shoe because it's absolutely gorgeous. I can't stop staring at it. I also love this sole. Like, I know that you, again, I said this on the Fibionas, you don't see this sole, but I just think it's gorgeous. I think it's such a nice little detail to have this beautiful detailing around the sole of the shoe. And also I absolutely love the colour of this insole. I think it's incredible. I think it complements the shoe perfectly. It's just gorgeous. It's like this lemony, yellowy, creamy colour. Then of course we've got these beautiful crystal embellishments on the strap and on the toe of the shoe. These are just incredible. They almost look a bit like constellations or something. They're just gorgeous, and they're super sparkly, super pretty. They catch the light beautifully, and I was a bit worried that maybe that might be too much, because with diamonds on the toe and diamonds on the strap, I was worried that maybe, ooh, is it going to look a bit try hard? But I absolutely love them. I think the diamonds are perfect. I think they complement the shoe perfectly, and I just think this shoe is gorgeous. I can't speak. This is an absolutely stunning shoe, and this fabric and the colours, the pattern of the shoe is just, I think it honestly makes the shoe. I've seen the plain colours of the shoes, which are absolutely gorgeous, but I've never seen anything like this fabric on a shoe, and I just think they just take them to this next level, and I just absolutely love them. I just think they're so classy and so elegant. It's definitely giving me like princess vibes. And then in terms of the comfort of the shoe, I think these are super comfortable. They've got this gorgeous heel, which is high. It is a high heel and it looks high, but when it's on your foot, it feels really comfortable. I think it's because it's not got a massively slanted foot that maybe with the pointed toe it allows your foot to just gradually go up to the heel. But I don't know, it feels comfortable. It feels high, it does feel high, but it feels comfortable. It's nothing too pressurizing on the balls of your feet or anything like that. They are just really nice to walk in, actually. And the thing that makes them so nice to walk in, I think, is this strap. So of course this strap is holding your foot into the shoe because your heel is exposed. If that wasn't there, your heel would be going all over the place. But because of this strap, it is nicely tight against your foot, but it's not uncomfortably tight. It's not something where it's constraining your foot. Your foot's not bulging out of either side of the strap. It just fits nicely in, and that is because, if you can see there, the strap on the inside here has some elastic, so you can kind of slip your foot in. Your foot will be perfectly adjusted to the strap with the elastic, so your foot is snug in there, it's nice and comfortable, it's not going to slip around your feet. But also when you're walking, there is a little bit of give there because it's got an elastic, a small elastic section of the strap, which I think honestly makes all the difference. As for the toe section, these parts of the shoe are not digging in, they're actually just nicely skimming the foot, and the toe bit is just nice and wide enough for the ball of your feet to not be pinching, to not be being squeezed or anything. It's just nice and your foot fits in perfect and it's super comfortable, and I love them. So not only are these shoes absolutely stunning to look at, they are comfortable as well, and I did just have a bit of a little circle round in them, and my foot was feeling nice and secure in them. My heel wasn't popping out, my foot wasn't sliding around, they just fit perfectly. I just absolutely love everything about these shoes, and I just feel like they're so special. The pattern of them, the colour, the shape, the crystallized sections of them are all just absolutely gorgeous, and they are really comfortable as well. I can see myself wearing these and just staring at my feet, just thinking, gosh, they look so good, they feel so good. What more could you want? So all in all, I'm in love with these shoes. They're just so mesmerizing. Like, looking at them is like looking at a piece of art. They're just the best. They're just the best. So that's the end of my Manolo Blahnik Lurum unboxing. As you can tell, they're a big hit with me. I'm in love. These are going straight in my wardrobe. Let me know what you think down below. Are you as in love with them as I am? Because I am. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe so that you can keep up with the rest of my videos. And I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!